What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today wanted to go ahead and make a quick update video for you guys, talking about obviously our 2022 Bronco Wildtrak we have over here. Just want to go ahead and give you guys a quick little rundown if you're new to the channel, or if this is the first video you've seen that I put out. Just talk about all the mods we've done to this thing so far, a little bit of first-hand feedback on the 2022 Bronco. So yeah, just wanted to, like I said, make a quick video for you and just talk about future plans and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So like I had mentioned, this is a 2022 Bronco. It is the Wildtrak. So the Wildtrak comes with the 2.7 liter V6 twin turbo EcoBoost. It doesn't come with the 2.3. Wildtrak is just dedicated 2.7 liter. Wildtraks also come standard with the Sasquatch package. So Sasquatch package meaning you get these cool beadlock capable wheels, you get the 35-inch tires, and you also get the Bilstein suspension up there. So that's quick rundown on Sasquatch and Wildtrak if you didn't already know this. But yeah, we've had it for just about 4 months now. We have just about 3,000 miles on it. It's ran flawless, no issues whatsoever. It's super fun to drive. It's been a blast to work on, so I honestly have no complaints. If you're, been around the channel for a while, I'm a Mopar guy. This is actually my first Ford. I would have never thought I would have owned a Ford, but here we are. And I gotta say, I really do love it. I'm, a big Jeep guy. I've had a few Jeeps, I've had a few Wranglers, Gladiators, and this thing is sick. No regrets whatsoever. So if you're thinking of picking up a Bronco, I would definitely recommend it. So let's go ahead and run through some mods here. So everything I'm going to be talking about, I have made videos for. So I'm going to go ahead and start, throwing little thumbnails up here of each video I'm referring to. And I also have a dedicated playlist where you could go ahead and just run through the entire playlist and see every video that I've put out for the Bronco. But let's just start with number one. The first thing I did was I went ahead and got this thing tinted. Went ahead and matched the rear, or matched the front with the rear. So it's a 15% ceramic film around the entire vehicle. And what I also went ahead and did was the front windshield, tinted that with a 50% film up there. That is illegal, but in Florida, I think it's an absolute must to keep out that heat, and I just think it looks absolutely cool. So that was the first thing we went ahead and did. After that, up here, these are the BroncoLED.com Raptor style grill lights. Again, videos for all of this. Those are super sweet, really inexpensive, super easy to install, and it really, adds a great appearance factor to the Bronco. After that, went ahead and installed this SVC pre-runner style front bumper. I think it looks absolutely awesome. I'm a huge fan of like the whole pre-runner style, and it kind of gives it kind of like a little bit of like a retro vibe to it as well. So really like that. It looks awesome. The biggest thing that we've done so far is the actual wrap. So this isn't a factory color. This is actually wrapped Nardo gray. The film is by Inazitech, so it's like an Audi color if you're familiar with Nardo gray. The actual real color of the Bronco is cyber orange. So there you can see right there, it actually is cyber orange, and the roll bar and everything on the inside is still cyber orange. So when you pop off the roof, you can see the cyber orange roll bar. It looks super sick. I'll go ahead and I'll throw a picture up there so you can see it. Yeah, let's see, what else have we done? Oh, yep, went ahead and matched the beadlock wheels, or the beadlock rings, in cyber orange as well. So nice little accent color right there. And then we also relatively recently installed these LED lights onto the front bumper up here. They are a Baja Design like LP9 knockoff light. These are only like 200 bucks for all four of them. They look epic. Went ahead and wired those to the aux switches. So, oh yeah, one more thing for appearance wise, went ahead and installed a canvas bimini top Obviously you can't see it right now because the hardtop's on there, but I'll go ahead and I'll throw a clip in here so you see exactly what I'm referring to. But yeah, so for aesthetics and exterior, I believe that's all we've done so far. So under the hood, we have done a few little changes. Went ahead and installed the Roush intake over here. Get a nice little bit of turbo noise when you go ahead and install one of these. It sounds really sweet. Probably doesn't do anything performance wise, but does look nice when you pop the hood. And again, the added turbo noise is always cool. And then right over here, we added the Bomba Racing blow-off valve adapter. So now it fully vents to atmosphere. So you get like that kind of ricer-ish little tuner sound that you get from like the turbo swoosh. You can see a little turbo down there, Garrett turbo, super cool. So yeah, let me go ahead. I'll turn it on so you can hear exactly what I'm referring to. Both of those were very inexpensive to do and relatively easy install. But turn it on real quick and then go ahead and rev it. Yeah, that's what I'm referring to. And while the actual Bronco is on, we went ahead and also installed Flowmaster Flow FX axle back exhaust with the black tips, and obviously it's the dual tip, the Flowmaster. It sounds absolutely wicked. I think it sounds so much better with one of those on there. It is definitely louder than stock. These things, you can't even really hear them. They're super quiet. So going ahead and throwing one of these exhaust systems on there definitely livens up the truck or SUV, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I absolutely love it. The wife thinks it's a little obnoxious and loud, but yeah, like I said, I love it. But yeah, so far that's about all we've done to it. So like I had mentioned, we've done quite a few things in the short amount of time we've had it. It's been all relatively, simple mods, kind of inexpensive stuff, minus the wrap. But future plans, I definitely want to go ahead and get some rock rails, kind of like sidestep over here, just to help the wife with, getting in and putting the baby in the car seat. I'm definitely going to be installing the matching SVC bumper in the rear. It's also like a pre-runner style bumper, since back here it's just the regular plastic bumper. Gonna be doing the upgraded tire mount because we are going to be stepping up to 37s, and with stepping up to 37s, also going to be doing a front leveling kit just to add like an additional 1 inch in the front. That way it sits level and we can clear the 37s a lot easier. I do plan on doing a full coilover suspension swap eventually, but I'm going to do that when parts are a little bit more readily available. I don't feel like spending $4,000 to $5,000 on coilovers right now and be waiting 6 to 9 months for them to even show up. I'll just do it when they're readily available. I know a lot of people are going with the Kings, but they've been waiting at least 6 months for them to even show up, and truthfully I kind of want to go with the Fox 2.5 or the 3.0s. So when those become available, I'll be diving fully into the whole suspension. But for now, I'm going to do a 1 inch leveling kit, and more than likely also going to be upgrading the upper control arms as well when I do that. So for suspension, 1 inch level for now. And then on the interior, I do like these seats. They're kind of cool, but I do want to go ahead and order the cat skin seat covers. I want to do something like diamond stitch to match like the orange accent and all that. I think it'd look really cool. Also want to get rid of these carpeted floor mats and go with the all-weather floor mats. But yeah, those are just some of the additional plans that I have for the Bronco. But like I mentioned, all that stuff's going to come relatively soon. But for now, just really happy with where we've gotten it. Hold on, got a plane. Yeah, like I was mentioning, for now, super stoked with where we've gotten it to. And really, I've just been driving this thing and enjoying it. I've been driving this more than I've been driving the TRX lately. The TRX has actually been in the body shop now for about almost 2 weeks, finally getting that rear end repaired from when the drunk driver hit me. So I've really been getting to enjoy the Bronco, and I gotta say I absolutely love it. But yeah, guys, short video today. Sorry for the lack of uploads lately, but I'll be diving right back into it. I got parts coming for the TRX as well as the Bronco, so expect some more updates pretty soon, and some parts for the C8 Corvette, so we can finally dive into that little project as well. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. It's always really appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.